BILT fits right in with the legacy of innovation for the Genie Company. All of our products proudly use the BILT application. All of our garage door openers, as well as the newest one in our family, BenchSentry. We have had nothing but fantastic response for the BILT application, both from our consumers and call center folks who understand that call volume has gone down because of BILT.
We get great feedback from our consumers. It makes their installations very easy, and they're very happy that they have that application to work with us.
So the beautiful thing about the BILT application is the 3D animation. It makes everything so easy, step by step. You can jump to any location. So if you've already installed it and now you have a question because your limits are off and you don't know why, you go back to that BILT application, jump to that spot, and it will walk you through that step all over again, and you're done.